Guys, today I want to share how to download a YouTube thumbnail for totally free because if you are a digital marketer or content creator, you need to download YouTube thumbnail for your blog post or you're creating a new thumbnail for your video for get inspiration. So you can download YouTube thumbnail. So don't worry, today I want to share how to download this YouTube thumbnail. It's totally free of cost and hassle free. So we go to download. Okay, after we go to download, we can find a video that's a thumbnail we can download from video. So we can open this video.
Collaboration is key for
Okay, and copy this video link from here. Go to this website and enter the video URL. Download thumbnail without boring ad or without hassle. You can get a 3 size of thumbnail for your YouTube video. You can use any kind of video from download here, and this is a totally free of cost. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and if my video is helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Later I will make a good content for you. I hope it's very helpful for you. Thank you.